In last class we added some code that is like what we add that code that is Firebase, right? Sorry, room database. So on the room database, while running, we got an issue. We will update that Gradle dependencies as for the in my website. I have that dependencies, so that dependencies we will update here. So then we will try to run that one. So first we have to update that KAPT plugin. So KAPT plugin I have added, and here now this is required, so that we will update here. Now we'll try. So once it is done, then we will run and we will see. So mostly we should run. So meanwhile, I'll open Visor as well. Yeah, I think it is done. Now I'm running. We will see if any issue will come or it will run. We will see here now. Okay, still there is an issue. Mm, KPT without task execution. So whatever it is, we'll copy and we'll ask. We'll send here in chat GPT and we'll try to get the answer here now. So it is a version issue in KPT library. So let us see. Okay, now we will try to run. Otherwise, we'll do one thing here. This entire will copy and paste here so that it will give properly. Now we'll try this. So here KAPT, what it is asking me. So in a project level also we have to see. So here is nothing. Gradle properties. Here it is nothing. So libraries. So here it is saying that version, right? So in the libraries we have to see one by one version. Kotlin 1.9.25. So it is suggesting that Kotlin, this is the version. So version mismatch. Right. Next. Okay. And then now we will try. So it is taking a little bit time because we changed it in a Gradle level, like library level, right? So now we'll try to run this. I hope this time it will run mostly. Yeah, again, we got an issue. So yeah, this alpha we will see because that version mismatch again that sometimes when that either Android Studio version or next version update, sometimes these kind of issues will come. So just we need to check and we need to clear those one by one. So now we got another issue. So it says plugin also. Even we'll see in a plugin level also. Here we will try to add that one. No, here also it is not taking. Gradle properties. Let's try again. I back to the older version. We will see now. Unresolved view model scope. So in this Gradle, we removed other, right? So that we have to add now. Roam KTX. This one already added. That is implementation. Roam runtime 2.70. This one is already there. So KAPT also there. So this lifecycle methods and this implementation is required. Yeah, now I'm running this. Yeah, it is launching now. See, last time we created a UI. This is like so username, password. This we have to write. So now first save Raj. So something save. So it is saved successful. If you want to get users, see here. I'm getting the both data right. Then instead of my, I'll save your name. Success. Now I'm get. So I'm clicking on a get Raj. See then Sandhya. See like this. So all the data is coming here like this, right? Now if I want to delete this, so simple I delete. Now if I get this, click on get. Here I'm not getting any data. Why? Because this is like, so we deleted. Now if I save this, so now only the Sandhya is available. So get, I'm getting only Sandhya data here, like this, right? So here now to create this KP like room database, we need these dependencies. So this 6 dependencies along with that. Here now we have to add this plugin, KPT plugin. Then within a here now, just we user interface like we created normally here. This so first I am creating the user. So in the user now, whatever the table parameters like table, what columns you have to define so that we have to save the data that we created here this. And after that user do. So in the user do, we write that all the database operations. So from here, So now this will interact with the user database. This is an interface, like here we abstract class here we created. So that is a where the table versions and all we defined. After that, user repository. So it is user repository. So this will configure the data from as per the user model. So that is user model. Here we have to launch, here we have to create that. So that is a large life cycle method because it will be executed in a asynchronous model. So that's the reason we are using this is the method here. This is like similar to like last time we seen that MVVM architecture. This is also similar architecture of that. So that here we are creating this. So this is about the Room database. Means like we can write SQLite library also. But what happens when we write an SQLite library? So that will be very means that will be the very means core concept. So that we need to write huge code, but instead of writing that much of huge code, so this will be very simple and easy way we can do this. So that's the reason we used this method here. Nowadays everyone are following this Room database only. So you have to write whatever SQLite means. SQLite just you have idea, but here now with this only we have to write the things. Right, hope it is clear. Right, so with this the SQLite related things has done. Like mostly we have hardly 10 sessions. So the next topic better we can start in next class, because 8 p.m. I have a one client call, so that we will see next topic in next class.